In modern warfare, radar and air defense systems play a crucial role. They serve as a protective shield, guarding critical targets against enemy threats. These radar systems have become increasingly advanced and diverse. They can be mobile or cleverly camouflaged to avoid detection, even by reconnaissance aircraft. So why are radar and air defense systems so important? Radar and air defense systems are vital in modern warfare, safeguarding airspace, providing early threat detection, and intercepting enemy attacks. They function as the eyes and shield of a nation or military force on the battlefield. Radar systems play a key role in early detection and warning, allowing military forces to identify threats from afar before they can reach their targets. Thanks to long-range surveillance radars, the military can track the movement of enemy aircraft, cruise missiles, UAVs, and other offensive assets. Early detection provides precise information on a target's position, speed, and direction, aiding air defense systems and attack forces in carrying out their missions more efficiently. Accurate target designation optimizes combat effectiveness, minimizes weapon waste, and increases the chances of neutralizing threats from a distance. Radar and air defense systems are crucial for protecting key assets such as military bases, command centers, weapon depots, airfields, defense factories, and strategic infrastructure. This not only shields personnel and combat equipment but also ensures prolonged operational capability in military campaigns. Radar is the backbone of modern air defense, playing a vital role in detecting, tracking, and intercepting aerial threats. Based on range, radars are classified into three main categories. Long-range radars, over 1,000 kilometers, such as the Voronezh-DM, Russia, and AN/FPS 132, USA, specialize in early warning against strategic bombers and ballistic missiles. Medium-range radars, 200-1,000 kilometers, like the 91N6E, Russia, and AN/TPS 77, USA, monitor regional airspace and support air defense operations. Short-range radars, under 200 kilometers, such as the Giraffe 4A, Sweden, and Panzer S1, Russia, protect critical sites against low-flying threats like UAVs and cruise missiles. Apart from classification by range, radars are also categorized by function. Surveillance and early warning radars, such as THAAD radar, USA, and Resonance-NE, Russia, detect distant threats and provide data for defense systems. Fire control radars, like the MPQ-65, USA, for the Patriot system, or the 92N6E, Russia, for the S-400, guide air defense missiles for accurate targeting. Military air traffic control radars, such as Giraffe AMB, Sweden, manage aircraft operations, while naval surveillance radars, like the SPY-6, USA, defend warships against cruise missiles and enemy aircraft. Integrating multiple radar types with air defense systems like S-400, Patriot, THAAD, and HQ-9 forms a robust defense network, ensuring early detection and effective target elimination. In modern warfare, neutralizing an enemy's radar and air defense systems is a key step in gaining air superiority and strategic battlefield advantage. Air defense systems are classified by range into three main categories, each serving distinct roles in airspace protection and critical asset defense. Long-range air defense systems, over 250 kilometers, specialize in intercepting fighter jets, cruise missiles, and even ballistic missiles at high altitudes. Examples include the S-400 Triumph, Russia, with a range of 400 kilometers. The S-500 Prometheus, Russia, capable of exo-atmospheric interception. And the Patriot PAC-3, USA, designed for tactical ballistic missile defense. The THAAD, USA, system is one of the most effective high-altitude missile defense systems, intercepting ballistic missiles in their mid and terminal flight phases. Medium-range air defense systems, 50 to 250 kilometers, are deployed to protect tactical zones, military bases, and critical infrastructure. Notable systems include the Buk M3, Russia, with a 70 kilometers range, NASAMS, USA, Norway, which utilizes AIM-120 AMRAAM missiles to safeguard cities and military sites, and HQ-16, China, with a 150 kilometers range, designed for ground force protection against aerial threats. Short-range air defense systems, under 50 kilometers, counter low-flying aircraft, helicopters, UAVs, and cruise missiles. Key examples include the Panzer S1, Russia, with a 30 kilometers range, which combines guns and missiles for close-range defense. Iron Dome, Israel, renowned for its high success rate in intercepting rockets and artillery shells. And Avenger, USA, equipped with Stinger missiles, ideal for protecting mobile ground forces. The integration of air defense systems across different ranges creates a multi-layered defense network, providing comprehensive protection against aircraft, UAVs, cruise missiles, and ballistic threats. The first objective of any attacking air force is to neutralize the enemy's radar and air defense systems. Disabling radar renders air defense blind, facilitating follow-up airstrikes. Moreover, strong air defense systems pose a direct threat to air superiority, limiting fighter and bomber operations. Once radar and air defense are neutralized, air forces can operate freely, provide fire support for ground troops, strike strategic targets, and dominate the battlefield. Therefore, in modern military campaigns, eliminating radar and air defense is always the first step in securing air superiority and overwhelming the enemy. Neutralizing an opponent's radar and air defense systems is critical for achieving air dominance. One of the most effective methods is using anti-radiation missiles, ARM, like the AGM-88 HARM, USA, or KH-31P, Russia, which autonomously home in on radar emissions to destroy them. Additionally, electronic warfare, EU, plays a key role in suppressing air defenses by jamming radar signals or deploying decoys like MALD, USA, to mislead the enemy. Another strategy is deploying stealth aircraft such as the F-35 Lightning II or Su-57, which can infiltrate hostile airspace undetected and conduct surprise attacks. UAVs and kamikaze drones, like the Shahed 136, Iran, or Bayraktar TB2, Turkey, are also used for locating, targeting, and attacking radars, or as decoys to exhaust enemy air defense systems. In some cases, special forces teams infiltrate deep into enemy territory to destroy radar stations and missile launchers using explosives or specialized weaponry. Another approach is long-range missile strikes, using cruise and ballistic missiles such as the Tomahawk, USA, or Caliber, Russia, to precisely eliminate radar and air defense installations from a safe distance. Overall, combining multiple strategies, including anti-radiation missiles, electronic warfare, stealth aircraft, UAVs, special forces, and long-range missile strikes, effectively neutralizes enemy radar, paving the way for air superiority and unrestricted aerial operations. Radar and air defense systems are not just shields protecting the skies, they're decisive factors in maintaining sovereignty and military power. With advancing technology, these systems continue to evolve, enhancing their ability to counter increasingly complex threats in future conflicts.